Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS5350i. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network and also to add it to your computer. So we're going to connect it to Wi-Fi network. Select OK buttons, then scroll down to Wi-Fi setup. Select OK. It will show you easy wireless connect or manual connect or push button or other connections. So select easy wireless connect. Connect to computer or smartphone, then you select yes. Use up or down arrow to select. So yes is selected. Processing, please wait momentarily. Follow the instruction on your computer or smart device. The next thing to do is you go to your laptop, go to Microsoft Store, install Canon Print app. Canon Print app. Download and install it to your computer. Open it up. Go on the left side. Select Add Printer. Select Add a Printer. Checking the latest information downloading. Select Yes. Processing. Please wait. Check power. Select Search. Check that the printer is turned on. Then you select Next. So it's going to search for the printer. Searching the printers. Please wait. The following printer is found, TS5350 series. To set up this printer, follow the instruction on the manual. Click OK to open the manual. Enter the printer product name and follow the setup instruction. So you select OK. So it will take you to the manual. Then you type on the top. The printer is TS5350i. Select on it. Then you select Go. And it will show you the printer Canon TS5350i setup. Then you select Start. Connecting to computer or set up a new printer. Connecting to a computer or smart device. So you select connecting to computer or smart device. Connect the printer to this computer window. Download and run the software to start setup. Select download. Then open the file. Select yes. Extracting. Start setup. Select start setup. Before we continue, the software may use the network to set up the printer. If your security software display any alert during setup, allow the software to proceed. Then you select next. Acquiring information. Scroll down. Then select yes. Select agree. Processing, please wait momentarily. Checking the printer status. So the printer serial number is found and also wireless network is found. Then it will ask you, connect the printer to the following wireless router. I'm going to select no so that I can put the password by myself. So select no. Then it will show you connection method, wireless connection or USB. So wireless connection is selected. Then you select next. Check the power is turned on. Then you select next. So you found the serial number. So you select on the printer. Then select next. Now it's checking the network. Easy wireless connect has been completed. Then you select OK. So the printer is connected. If you look on the Wi-Fi, the light, the reception is steady. And if you look, connection completed. So from the screen, we show you connection completed. Then you select next. So it's installing the driver. Processing, please wait. The printer is being registered to the computer. So if you look on the Wi-Fi icon, you will see that the icon is now full up. The Wi-Fi reception is full up. Initially, it was cancelled. You are now able to print from your computer. So you can print test page, test print. Data has been sent to the printer. So it's now printing a test page to show you that the printer is working. Then you select OK. This is window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon TS5350i series on laptop. It will show you the date and time and show you the model, port name WSD, data raw, and also window x64. So this is the test page. So this printer is connected to a network. You are able to print from your computer. Then you select next. Then you select. It will ask you continue online. Click online to visit Canon website from where you are to download additional app and get the function and service. Then you select continue online. It will take you to Canon website where you will download additional app. But what I'm going to do is next thing to do is you need to go to Microsoft Store, install Canon Print app. Canon Print app. Download the app on your PC, open it up. This is Canon Print app. So I'm going to select to switch to different printer. And this is the printer, TS5350 series. So the printer is available and it's showing us the ink level. So this is how to connect the printer to a network. And if you want to print out a document, you can print document, you can print photo, you can scan document. So this is how to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network and also add it to Canon Print app. Thank you very much indeed.